Hey everyone, it's Jacqueline, and today I have a recipe for all you pumpkin lovers out there. We are going to be making a delicious pumpkin leek pasta sauce that is perfect for fall. It's got less than 10 ingredients, and we're using store-bought gnocchi because I'm all about them, semi-homemade, looks fancy, but it was actually really easy to make meals. Really quickly before we continue, this video's shout out goes to Tokibop. Thank you to Tokibop for trying out my vegan shoyu chicken recipe and for posting a picture on Instagram. If you would like a shout out in a future video, all you have to do is post a picture or story on Instagram if you try out one of my recipes, tag me, and that's it. Okay, now back to the recipe. First, I minced 2 cloves of garlic. That bowl of water I set aside is for cleaning the leeks, but we'll get to that in a little bit. I started off thinking I'd use just 1 clove of garlic, then realized how crazy that was, so I minced another. Next, I sliced 3 fresh sage leaves into really thin ribbons. Pumpkin, leek, and sage is such a classic fall flavor combo. It's just so warm and so cozy. I got these trimmed leeks from Trader Joe's, and usually I buy the big untrimmed leeks, and they're just really dirty and they've got a lot of mud and grit in them. Anyways, these Trader Joe's leeks were convenient and definitely not as dirty. One thing though, I don't know why they were so tough. Like, you can see I'm kind of struggling to cut them open, and usually leeks are not this tough to cut, so I don't know. Anyways, I trimmed the ends, cut them in half lengthwise, and then sliced thinly. And then they go into the bowl of water for a wash. Gently separate all the layers to make sure you remove any dirt that may be hiding in between. Next, heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil or olive oil, and then saute the leeks. Once the leeks have softened, add minced garlic, sage, 2 teaspoons of dried thyme, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, next, add half a can of pumpkin puree, and then you're going to fill that can up with almond milk. Stir well to get all of that pumpkin off the sides of the can, and then add to the pot. Lastly, I added half a vegan chicken bouillon cube and mixed that in and just let that simmer. While the sauce was cooking, I prepared some vegan cauliflower gnocchi according to package directions. These were also from Trader Joe's. Be sure to stir the pasta sauce often, as it will thicken up very quickly. Once it's reached your desired thickness, add the gnocchi and fold in very gently so as not to destroy your beautiful gnocchi pillows. Serve right away on its own or with a side of veggies. I plated mine with some haricot vert, aka frozen green beans from Costco. You guys know I love to make things cute, so I garnished with 2 little sage leaves arranged in the shape of a heart, And that was it. So cute, looks fancy, but it was so simple. I think this would make a perfect Thanksgiving side dish or a little date night meal, or maybe you want to cook something nice for your friends or family. If you do, be sure to let me know how it goes. I'd love to see pictures, and make sure to tag me on Instagram. Thank you all so much for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye!